In this lesson, we're going to talk about two key concepts for the real estate professional, the laws of agency and the real estate brokerage. We'll open the discussion with a talk about the concept of agency and what it means to be an agent for someone, starting with definitions for different types of agents and agency relationships. After that, we'll take a look at the Information About Brokerage Services form. This form contains critical information that licensees must provide to prospective clients during their first substantive discussion of a real property transaction. That leads us back to concepts of agents and agency, this time to those that are defined by statute. These are single agency as the seller's agent, single agency as the buyer's agent, subagent, and intermediary. Then, we'll discuss the brokerage and some of the regulations that determine how a brokerage needs to be structured and operated. These regulations are part of the Real Estate License Act, which governs most of the real estate profession in Texas. Other matters we'll cover include compensation, procuring cause, benefits, disability, and grievance resolution. From there, we'll take time to talk about additional laws and regulations that affect the daily activities of the real estate professional. Some of these major acts are the Sherman Antitrust Act, the Clayton Antitrust Act, and the Federal Trade Commission Act. Following that, we'll examine one of the primary concepts underlying agency and the brokerage, fiduciary duty. The fiduciary duty is the obligation a party has as an expert in their field to their clients. Examples might be licensees, bankers, lawyers, and accountants. These clients rely on being treated fairly and without a conflict of the fiduciary's personal interests. We'll end this lesson with our first look at the Texas Deceptive Trade Practices, Consumer Protection Act, known as the DTPA. This is a subject we'll revisit many times through the entire pre-license course, including several excerpts from the law itself. Ready? Let's begin.